Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguide.com, and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated handheld milk frothers. Handheld frothers are convenient battery-operated whisks that you stick directly into your cup of milk to froth like a mini-immersion blender. The whisk spins continuously, allowing air to be whipped into the milk, making it easier to prepare lattes. In this video, we'll be going over 7 highest rated handheld milk frothers, so you can just sit back, relax, and take your pick after watching. The team at trustedshopguide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the handheld milk frothers that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top rated options for you, make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on trustedshopguide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first handheld milk frother in our list is the GRUNEN WOLKEN milk frother. Every morning or afternoon, you can use this small and cute milk frother from GRUNEN WOLKEN to make a hassle-free cup of coffee in your own kitchen, whether it's a latte, cappuccino, mocha, or hot chocolate. In terms of size, it measures 9.88 by 3.03 by 2.95 inches and weighs 6.7 ounces. TrustedShopguide.com has awarded the GRUNEN WOLKEN milk frother a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: detachable head. With a unique detachable design that can create multiple functions within a single device, this serves as both a frother whisk and an egg mixer. High-quality materials. The handle is made of non-slip ABS material, and the blender portion is made of food-grade 304 stainless steel, which is safe and green. Improved motor. Its much improved motor has a 90% longer service life than other average milk frothers in the market. Ergonomic handle. With an effortless side button that's very friendly to any hand shape, it allows you to control the frother as you like. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is tricky battery replacement. This frother is designed so that one of the batteries will be against the spring and the other will be against the solid metal prong. The second handheld milk frother in our list is the PowerLix milk frother. With a cordless design that makes for convenient milk frothing on the go, this portable milk frother from PowerLix is a great portable option to have when you're going on a camping trip or vacation. Its dimensions are 9.8 by 2.83 by 2.83 inches, and its weight is 5.3 ounces. TrustedShopguide.com has awarded the PowerLix milk frother a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: powerful motor. It has a motor that gives you 19,000 revolutions per minute, which makes quick work of frothing milk. Battery powered. The mixer is powered by 2 AA batteries, so you don't have to worry about cords and finding sockets. Minimal and compact design. It comes with a stand for easy storage and can be kept on the countertop. Numerous color selections. The machine is beautifully styled and comes in over 23 colors, capable of fitting into any modern kitchen. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is tricky angle. To get the best and quickest frothing results, we recommend you hold it at a 45-degree angle. The third handheld milk frother in our list is the VOMELON milk frother. If you love your morning coffee with lots of froth and foam, then you will certainly want to have the VOMELON milk frother in your home. It has a beautiful and sleek stainless steel design, and it's measured 1.18 by 1.18 by 9.3 inches with a weight of 5.2 ounces. TrustedShopguide.com has awarded the VOMELON milk frother a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: powerful motors. With an upgraded motor built in, this frother spins at over 20,000 revolutions per minute. In just a few seconds, you can have a full cup of milk foam. Durable and long-lasting. It's made of 304 stainless steel and ABS plastic. As long as you use it correctly and place it in the right environment, it'll never rust or break. Multiple use. It's suitable for all types of milk and a perfect maker of coffee, lattes, cappuccino, espressos, hot chocolate, and many more. Easy to clean. Just remove the whisk head from the body and flush with running water to get the whisk washed thoroughly. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it goes beyond batteries very quickly. Since it consumes batteries very fast, we recommend using rechargeable batteries with this frother. The fourth handheld milk frother in the list is the aerolatte milk frother. This cute handheld milk frother is fun and easy to use. In addition to creating delicate foam for homemade cappuccinos, lattes, or hot chocolates, it can also be used for other equally yummy treats. As for its size, it measures 8.7 by 3.6 by 1.3 inches and weighs 3.51 ounces. TrustedShopguide.com has awarded the aerolatte milk frother a 5-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: compact and light. Thanks to its compact design, You can take this frother anywhere so you can have a great frothy milk no matter where you are. Specially designed motor. Inside is a motor that operates as a dry rotation speed and torque that's specific to the function of foaming milk. Multi-purpose whisking. Although designed for whisking milk, this frother can be also used to prepare foods such as sauces, gravy, egg whites, vinaigrette, and hollandaise dressings, as well as tempting desserts such as zabaglione and custards. Numerous colors. Available in a wide range of stylish and attractive colors, you can pick this in the color that will suit your kitchen design best. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is vulnerable power switch. As it's so small, the splash that you get from the frother is not positioned at just the right depth, can gum up the on and off switch if not careful. The fifth handheld milk frother in our list is the Zulay milk frother. If you're a coffee lover that takes your morning coffee seriously, then the Zulay milk frother will definitely tick all your boxes. The frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato, or hot chocolate without breaking a sweat. In terms of size, it measures 9.96 by 3.03 by 2.91 ounces and its weight is 7.4 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Zulay milk frother a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. It's constructed with a highly efficient motor that works quietly while rotating at 12,500 revolutions per minute. Small and lightweight form factor. This compact milk frother works in all types of milk, lattes, cappuccino, and more. Efficient battery size. It's powered by 2 AA batteries with a compact design that doesn't eat too much energy. Convenient stand. It has an easy-to-use stand that keeps it handy on every counter. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't have a constant on switch. It doesn't have a constant on switch, so you'll have to press down with your thumb while you're using it. The sixth handheld milk frother in our list is the SIMPLETaste milk frother. This portable handheld milk frother from SIMPLETaste can create a creamy cup in just 15 to 30 seconds. It also has a sleek, minimal design that'll look good in any modern kitchen. As for its size, it measures 1.38 by 1.38 by 9.6 inches and weighs 3.52 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the SIMPLETaste milk frother a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. User-friendly. Just press the power button once to start frothing with no need to hold the button down. High-quality construction. The frothing whisk is made of 304 durable stainless steel, so it's completely resistant to rust. Ergonomic design. The lightweight plastic handle is ergonomically designed for comfortable operation. Multifunctional. Not only designed to create milk foam for coffees, cappuccinos, and macchiatos, it also is suitable for making milkshakes, matcha tea, mixed drinks, and even whisking egg and sauces. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is taking out batteries can get tricky. When placing batteries in the frother, we recommend making use of a cloth strip. The batteries should be placed in such a way that the cloth strip sits below the batteries. The cloth strip can be pulled easily when replacing the batteries. The seventh handheld milk frother in our list is the Bonsenkitchen milk frother. These colorful, handheld, lightweight electric milk frothers from Bonsenkitchen are very user-friendly and will definitely be a great fit for any kitchen space. Not only that, it creates delicate foam for homemade lattes, cappuccinos, hot chocolates, and more without any hiccups. Its dimensions are 9.92 by 1.26 by 1.45 inches and its weight is 5.6 ounces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Bonsenkitchen milk frother a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Ergonomic design. The stainless milk frother is compact, affordable, and fashionable. The handle is ergonomically designed, so you'll feel comfortable when it's in your hands. Stylish colors. With a classic design that never feels outdated, you can pick from over 13 color finishes that'll look best on your countertop. BPA-free whisk. This electric handheld battery-operated milk frother with high-speed rotation has a BPA-free whisk and is food safe. Easy to use and clean. You won't have to worry about being bogged down by messy cleanups because this frother is easy to use and wash. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is awkward power button placement. The power button is at the top instead of at the bottom of the handle. We think it should be where you would use your thumb on the other end of the handle. And there you have it, folks. Our 7 highest rated handheld milk frothers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next handheld milk frother roundup, which you would like our team to test, to drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. And if you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.